Hey everybody, I'm back. I've had 3 weeks rest, much needed. Mandy broke me last trip and she's determined to break me this trip as well. Honeydew list longer than my arm. First one was to replicate the tomato tunnel on the next set of beds. So today we plan on tackling this cucumber bed, get it all cleared out and ready to put the rebar up for the cucumbers to grow up against. Okay, give me the spade so you can't tell everybody that I don't do any bloody work.
Can you please help me with that bucket, because I can't do it on my own unless I bash the wood.
Yeah, and you can't bash the wood because it'll probably disintegrate.
Exactly.
There you go.
So what you need to do is go find me a piece of wood to fix there. Then you need to go get the cattle panel, because we're almost ready for that. I can do this.
And that's not called nagging, hey, it's called reminding.
Ask, remind, and then I will do. Like I had to do there.
Do where? There. Now you know why I don't like you doing.
I don't
piece
nag.
of wood. Okay.
Did you really want to mess your back up and use a spade?
No, I just want to show the people that I do actually sometimes do some work.
Just do one shovel for the people. You can say you did it all, but I wasn't allowed to. Go on.
Which bucket is it going in?
Anyone.
Oh, I thought you had one for weeds,
No,
one for soil.
I'm just taking up because we're in a hurry. I'll go get a spade to do over there.
It's like you can have the spade back now.
Yeah, but I need to do by hand, otherwise I'll take your wood out.
The wood's so rotten anyway.
And you need to get cable ties to do the funky monkey with
Yes.
Yeah, see.
See, she's arding again. Rotten.
To the core.
I'm talking about the wood, not you. Okay, this is just for this season. We're going to have to replace these boards before next season comes around. Next thing to do, lay cardboard, then put the cattle panels up, and then fill with soil. Okay, first piece
I've done it. It went pretty quick.
And this dog doesn't want to move. You comfy there, Belle?
What are you doing? Are you a film star? Hey, my bark a lot.
Okay, cardboard done. Ellie's sitting over there just to keep it in position for us. Before we bring the cattle panels, I need to put this center support post in. So I might as well try and get it as square as possible, even though it's temporary. Well, temporary for a year. Hopefully not longer. As you can see, it's not very sturdy, but I'll put some cross braces over here like I've got on the others. Okay, cattle panels. I'm going to go get the angle grinder so I can cut these pieces off so they don't get in the way. I'm going to cut a piece of wood so once it's in position we can screw it in and it'll hopefully stay in place. Oh, I haven't got safety goggles. Okay, now we've got to make sure it's in the middle. So, hold on. $40. I think that'll do. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to cut all these pieces off here. Cut the next piece to size and carry on. So let's go. Oh, safety goggles. One, two, three, 4, 5, 9. Right, take that piece and just lean it up against that tree for now. Thank you. She does listen to instructions sometimes, but I could see you thinking about it, eh? Okay, just lean it over here. Okay. for me, please. Mind your fingers. Before I hurt you and get in trouble again. So Mandy decided it would be a good idea if we had a roof over here as well. Why, I don't know, but Mandy wants, Mandy gets. Happy wife, happy life. And she's already dropped us on my head once, so she's been relegated behind the camera. Of course it would hook on the tree. Told you she was a slave driver. The sun has set, so I'm just stretching the irrigation pipes now using cable ties. It's now the best time to do it actually because it's cold. So if you stretch them when they're cold, it's the right time, because when they get warm, they expand. Now of course Mandy would have the bag right in the way of where I need to work. So that's all I've done. There's a cup hook screwed in the board and just tension it with cable ties. Works quite well. Got to replace them once a year because the sun kills them. On this end, I've just got them tied onto cable ties and hooks into the wood as well. So you can see they're nice and straight. Hopefully they stay that way. Peppers going in. We took a day off, yesterday. We didn't do any back-breaking work. We couldn't. Finally going to plant the mango tree we grew from a pip. Finally, after how many years? 3 years. I think you'll find it's probably more. Yeah, 3. Can I hold it for you? Okay, I've got it. Oh. Finally, the 4th raised bed has been prepped. It's got soil ready for planting. Mandy asked me to put a sort of trellis over the top like we did for Tomato Alley, which wasn't a bad idea because it's made it a lot more sturdy. Cucumber bed prepared. Over to Mandy now to plant. Okay, hopefully this means instead of us rotating the soil, we can just rotate the crops because we can move Tomato Alley across one. The 4th bed in the raised bed section is completed. We've put the rebar, cattle panel, whatever you want to call it, up, and I've also created an overhead trellis. Hopefully when I get back the next trip, the honeydew list will be slightly shorter, but I doubt it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay safe out there. See you next time. Ciao.